స్టూడెంట్స్, ఈరోజు క్విజ్ స్టేట్స్ అండ్ గవర్నర్స్. ఓకే, లెట్ వి స్టార్ట్. States and governors for only 3 members. Okay, Sajid, tell yourself.
My name is Satyasri. I am from 7th class.
Okay, Rajasthan,
Bhajan Lal Sharma.
again once, Rajasthan. Governors,
Governors Haribayu Bangadir. Haribayu Bangadir.
okay, Chhattisgarh,
Vishnu Rio Sai Ramandeka.
Chhattisgarh,
Ramandeka.
Raman,
Deka.
Karnataka,
Karnataka. Tawar Chand Gehlot.
Tamil Nadu,
R.N. Ravi.
Uttarakhand.
Gurmeet Singh.
Okay, now I ask governors, you said states. Abdul Nazir. Yes, Abdul
Andhra
Nazir.
Pradesh.
La Ganeshan,
Nagaland.
P.S. Sridharan Pillai,
Goa.
Jishnu Dev Varma,
Telangana.
Rajendra Viswanath Arlekar,
Bihar.
very good, claps.
My name is Varun. I am studying in 8th class.
Okay, I say states, you have to say governors. Punjab,
Gulacham Kataria.
Gujarat, ready, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, ready, turn to another person. Tell yourself first.
My name is Sri Nagendra Ganesh. I am studying 7th class.
Okay, now I said states, you have to say governors. Jharkhand,
Jharkhand. Santosh Kumar Gangwar.
Odisha,
Raghubar Das.
Uttarakhand,
Gurmeet Singh.
Kerala,
Arif Muhammad Khan.
Maharashtra,
DRCV.
CP,
Yes, CP. Radhakrishna.
very good. Next, now I ask governors, you said, you will say states. Bandaru Dattatreya,
Haryana.
Haribhav Baghet,
Rajasthan.
Anandi Ben Patel,
Uttar Pradesh.
Lakshman Prasad Acharya,
Assam.
Lakshman Prasad Acharya,
Manipur.
Om Prakash Mathur,
Sir.
Om Prakash Mathur,
Sikkim.
very good, claps.